Welcome to Only Tech Mind. If you're passionate about Microsoft Word, you're in the right place. On this channel, we're diving deep into everything Word related, from essential tips for formatting documents to exploring advanced features you might not know about. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our tech-savvy tutorials. And if the content is helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and join our community of fellow tech enthusiasts. Let's make technology work for us together. Buckle up, because we're about to enhance your Microsoft Word skills right here on Only Tech Mind. Today, I will explain you how you can use references in Word. References tab. This tab gives you access to all the commands for creating references within your documents. Table of contents. Table of contents, drop down. Provide an overview of your document by adding a table of contents. The drop-down contains the commands built-in, insert table of contents and save selection to table of contents gallery. Add text, drop-down. The drop-down contains the commands do not show in table of contents, level 1, level 2 and level 3. Update table. Updates the table of contents so that all the entries refer to the correct page numbers. Footnotes. You can quickly display the footnote and endnote dialog box by clicking on the dialog box launcher in the bottom right corner of this group. Insert footnote. Alt plus Control plus F. Inserts a footnote at the current position. Footnotes are automatically renumbered as you move text around the document. Insert endnote. Alt plus Control plus D. Inserts an endnote at the end of the document. Endnotes are always placed at the end of a document. Next footnote. Button with drop-down. The button moves to the next footnote. The drop-down provides the commands next footnote, previous footnote, next endnote and previous endnote. Show notes. Shows where footnotes and endnotes are located. Research. Search. Previously Smart Lookup. Researcher. Added in 365. Displays the researcher task pane. Citations and bibliography. Insert citation. Drop down. The drop down contains the commands add new source, add new placeholder and search libraries. Manage sources. Displays a list of all the sources cited in the active document. Style. Choose the style of citation to use in the document. Bibliography. Drop down. The drop down contains the commands insert bibliography and save selection to bibliography gallery. Captions. Insert caption. Insert a caption below a picture or graphic to provide a short description. Insert table of figures. Add a list of captioned objects and their page numbers. Update table. Updates the table of figures to include all of the entries in the document. Cross-reference. Displays the cross-reference dialog box allowing you to insert cross-referencing into your document. For example, turn to page 3 or please refer to page 12. Cross-references are inserted as hyperlinks. Index. Mark entry. Alt plus Shift plus X. Marks the currently selected text so it will appear in the index of the document. Insert index. Add an index listing keywords and page numbers they appear on. Update index. Updates the index table. Table of authorities. Mark citation. Alt plus Shift plus I. Adds the currently selected text so it will appear in the table of authority. Insert table of authorities. Inserts a table of authorities for cases, statutes and other authorities in the document. Update table. Updates the table of authorities to include all the citations in the document. Mendeley is a reference management tool that helps researchers organize and cite their sources. After importing references into Mendeley, users can easily insert citations into their documents using a Word plugin, which also generates formatted bibliographies according to selected citation styles. The tool streamlines the process of managing references, ensuring accurate and consistent citations while writing academic or research papers. Now I am going to show you how to use these tools. Try it with me. Thanks for tuning into this Microsoft Word Masterclass with Only Tech Mind. If you found these tips valuable, be sure to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more exciting word journeys ahead. Until next time, keep wording brilliantly.